Do you want to know the #1 product that people request for a bathroom remodel? That would be a freestanding tub. We would typically pull out the old tub deck. Usually it's a tile, like a rectangular tile square with a tub sitting on top of it. We would pull all that out, relocate the plumbing fixtures, and then set in this beautiful freestanding tub. One thing to consider would be the type of valve that you put in. This valve would be mounted on the tub rail, pretty much like that. Or you would put in a freestanding valve like this one. If you want to find out more options on freestanding tubs, go to tampakitchenandbath.com or visit some of our social media sites.